A young filmmaker follows a rumor about a lost film reel hidden in a rain-slick city basement. They sift through dusty boxes, tracing footprints left by a director who vanished after a single shot changed everything. As night deepens, the reel reveals not just images, but a confession that rewrites the film they thought they were making. The chase becomes a quiet meditation on memory, art, and how truth survives in grain and light. In the final frame, the city sighs, and the film breathes anew, guiding the artist toward a future of honest storytelling.